Apricot pecan bread is wonderful with afternoon tea, morning coffee, as an appetizer, snack, or dessert. Just can't beat it. I buy my apricots in these little packages. 6 ounces is just about perfect for the loaf of bread. Chop them, soak them in some bottled unsalted water for half hour, 40 minutes, and then drain them when you get ready to make your bread. We're going to drain them. This is what they look like. They're this big when they are in the package. If you wait until you soak them, they're harder to chop. We've got our apricots ready. I'm going to use a 9 by 5 inch loaf pan, greased and sprayed. I like Baker's Joy because it does both of them. Eliminates one step. Got my pan ready. My big bowl has got 1 egg, 2 tablespoons of room temperature unsalted butter, 1 1/4 cups of white sugar, and a 1/2 cup of orange juice. My store brand frozen orange juice has no sodium. Some of the juices that are in the dairy department, have quite a bit. We just have to really watch our labels. And the same thing is true with the apricots. This whole package has 45 milligrams. Some have more. Gotta watch those labels. I use my mixer on low to just kind of mix it up a little bit. And then in my sifter is 2½ cups of all-purpose flour. If you've got any self-rising flour, you might want to get rid of it. 440 milligrams for a 1/2 cup. In my sifter also is baking soda substitute, ENERG, 1 teaspoon. Regular baking soda for 1 teaspoon has 1,200 milligrams of sodium. Hain featherweight baking powder, no sodium, 2 teaspoons. Both of these you can order from Amazon or Healthy Heart Market. The baking soda, read the label because you use double of what a normal recipe is. That is what's in my sifter. I'm going to sift it into my egg mixture and stir it up. You don't need to use your mixer for this. We're just stirring. Just going to stir it. The apricot bread is so easy to make. Comes together very quickly. Stir until it's all nice and moist. Then we're put in the apricots and 1 cup of chopped nuts. I like pecans. You can use walnuts. Just have to make sure that you check the label because some have sodium and some do not. My oven is set at 350 degrees. In about 55 minutes, I'll check it. When you insert a wooden toothpick in the middle and it comes out clean, then your bread's done. When you put it in your pan, use a little spatula to kind of spread it out. Make it a little bit even on the top. Please subscribe to my channel. Every Friday there'll be a new low sodium recipe, a tip to lower your sodium and keep it under that number you're supposed to keep it under. Sometimes both. All right. Going in the oven. 55 minutes. 350-degree oven, and their bread is done. Cooled it on a wire rack for about 15 minutes. Took it out of the pan, put it back on the wire rack to completely cool. Our whole pan has got 115 milligrams of sodium. If you cut it in half-inch slices, you get 18 slices. Each one is 6.39 milligrams. If you cut it in 3/4 inch slices, you get 12 slices that are 9.59. Store your bread in your refrigerator or your freezer. Wrap it tightly in plastic wrap. When you serve it, a nice little bowl of room temperature unsalted butter, and maybe one with some honey in it. Let people drizzle that on their bread. Mighty good, folks.